Alrighty, it's been a little while since we've done an update on the KE, so I thought I'd give you a quick run through of where it's at. I'd say so far I've probably got 100 hours into the body, but we are very much in the home stretch. The roof is all sorted, it's been blocked, it's looking nice. I wire brushed the guards and got all the gunk out, and I've just coated them to keep them sealed up for now. Repairs are all done on this side of the car. So I've got it all in guide coat and it's ready for blocking as well, just to sort out any minor defects. Coming around to the back, similar thing. So my welding repairs weren't the best, but I think it's looking pretty good. The other side is still in high fill. I've just etch primed where there was steel exposed after doing that first rub, so it'll go into primer next. Another sand and then blocking. On the inside of the car, I've put the 5-speed manual in. It came out of a Ke25. That was all relatively straightforward. I did have to re-drill the cross member just to make it all work, but it's looking good. The roof lining, I just scraped all the old shit off. I'm gonna put proper sound deadening on all that before a new head lining goes in. And I've started scratching out all of this shit off the floor. The floor pan actually looks really nice. There's no rust. It all appears to be in really good shape, so I'll get that all cleared out and get the whole thing in body deadener. So for the wheels, I ended up buying a set of SSR Mark IIs. They got a nice bit of dish on them. I think they're going to suit this really nicely. Obviously the 12-inch wheels on it now are just not aggressive enough, so I think that'll give it a really nice stance. And then the engine. So that's also out of a low kilometer Ke25, it's a 4K. It's on my list of things to do. I'm going to pull the head off, get it skimmed. I'll probably get the cams reground, something a bit more aggressive. This isn't going to be a fast car, it's just going to be a cool weekender, so I think that'll be the approach. With the seats, so I'm thinking of going 2 different ways. I've got a set of recaros that have been retrimmed. I was thinking about putting those in. I have a second set of seat rails that I could make to suit them. But my other thought is maybe getting these retrimmed and just sticking with the factory seats. I'd be interested to know what you guys think. I'm sort of in 2 minds about this car. I'm actually going to put a poll up across the Facebook, Instagram. Just, you know, it's either go back to the factory red that it was, lower it a little bit, put the Mark IIs on it, get the seats retrimmed, and just have it as a lightly modified cruiser. My other thought is I've got a set of Te27 style flares that came with it. If I was going to change the color, now would be the time to do it. I do like the idea of doing flares, olive green, really low with the Mark IIs and recaros. So yeah, I'll put a poll up. Comment on this video actually on the YouTube channel. It'd be a really good way to get some feedback. I'd be happy going down either path. So for me, it'd be interesting to know what people would like to see. But anyway, that's pretty much it for the Ke at the moment. I should have the bodywork all tidied up in the next 2 weeks, so after that I can get this part of the car painted. I've got guards and doors and everything that I haven't started on yet, but I can start painting all that and putting the car back together. There's a bunch of junk underneath here that's all for this car, so it'd be nice to get that happening.